Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as you can see here, we have the Omron medical device, okay, and we have the DT number 1 DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, okay. So, right now we are going to check its health functions, and we are going to compare it with our Omron medical grade device. So, we're going to check the heart rate. Okay, so it features a heart rate, a blood pressure, okay, and of course check it with our Omron device here. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video review, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we have here our smartwatch and we have our Omron. Okay, so let's check first our heart rate and blood pressure, okay, with this smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. Is it the same with the Z8? Okay, I don't know. If you watch our previous video, we already tested the Z8 smartwatch. Okay, so we are wearing it now, so let's check. Let's go first with our heart rate. Okay, so it is now monitoring. Okay, let's wait. It's now checking our heart rate. 79, 78. Okay, going back to 80, back to 79. So let's see. Dropping to 77. I guess it is in the range of 77 to 80. Okay, 78. So we do have a 78 beats per minute. Okay. So how about our blood pressure? Okay, let's check. It is now checking. So 123 over 79, 121 over 78. Okay, let's see. Okay, 120 over 78. Okay, so let's check with our Omron medical grade device here. Okay. Remember 120 over 78. Okay, and our heart rate is that 78 also. Okay, so let's see. It should not be more than 5 points. Okay, plus 5 or minus 5. Okay, it's now checking. And we're almost done. Okay, later on we are going to have a simultaneous monitoring of our health. So 98 over 71 and 76, the heart rate is okay. For the blood pressure, it's a bit far. Okay, let's check. We have the previous data. Oh no, we don't have. Okay, it's 98 over 71, very far. Okay, anyway, I'm checking it here again. Okay, there's a sudden drop in our blood pressure here. Okay, so let's check. The heart rate is much closer to compare to the our blood pressure. Okay, so let's have, instead of checking it, let's have a one by one. Let's check. Let's have a simultaneous monitoring, I think. Okay, much better. Okay, I have it here. Again, going back. So let's see, and let's stop moving. Okay, let's sit still and let's check the result. Okay, again. Okay, so this is a simultaneous monitoring, so we can have an accurate result. Okay, the previous is inconclusive. We are not sure as we keep on moving. So let's see this time. So 120, 118 over 76. So maybe it's around 118 to 120 and 76 to 78. The systolic and diastolic. So 120 over 78 and 114 over 75 and 80 beats per minute. Okay, as you can see, it's not that far. Let's have our heart rate. It should be around 85 or 75. Much better if it's -3 or +3. Okay, when it comes to the gap of the results. Okay. So for the blood pressure, it's not that far. Okay, it's almost close. Very good results. Okay, I guess we will have a good results also with our heart rate. I do hope that we'll have a good results. Okay. Okay, so we have 77 and 80, and as you can see, the results are not that far. Okay, let's have another one. Let's check. Okay, another one. Let's give it a try again. This is the last monitoring. One 21 over 78. Let's see. This is the DT8 Ultra Plus Smartwatch. So 114 over 76 and 121 over 70 or 122 over 79. So it's not that far. Very good. And we have 78 beats per minute. Okay, for the heart rate, let's check. We do have here 78. As you can see, the results is almost close when it comes to the diastolic, I think. Okay, that than systolic. Okay, I guess we do have a close results when it comes to heart rate also. Okay, so we have 81 and we have 78. It's not that far. Okay, very good. Okay, so far +3. Okay, and as you can see here, we already tested it twice, and so far we do have a good results both in heart rate and in blood pressure. Okay, so I hope we answered your questions or your queries regarding the heart rate and blood pressure of the smartwatch. And as you can see here, okay, it's a real blood pressure and heart rate monitoring. It's not just a random heart rate monitoring, because if I'm not wearing it, it will show that I'm not wearing it properly. Okay, so you need to wear it properly to be able to monitor your blood pressure or heart rate. If you're not wearing it, and this is the results. Okay, so that's it for the DT8 plus smartwatch. Okay, DT8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.